How can you get at the right time on your Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, there are more ways how you can change the time of the Apple Watch. The first one is by going to the Settings app on the watch directly, and in there scroll through the menu until you find the clock section. So you go to the clock directly right here, and you can see that there is a plus number of minute section or menu, and you can get there and essentially decide how much you move the time forward. It is a feature which is part of every Apple Watch, and it literally allows you to add minutes to your current time. So you change the time setting for your phone, but I mean for the watch only. And yeah, that's kind of how it works. It's not going to show the correct time, but plus a few minutes, right? So make sure that you get the right time, that you have it set to plus 0 minutes, so it doesn't really change anything. Plus, if you still see that the time is not correctly set up on the watch, at first I would pay attention to the actual main clock, because you might also have the world clock added, right? So as you can see in my case, I have the time of the current location, which is the large one, and also the small circle above it, which is for a different place on the map, right? So not to confuse that, but generally the time settings are adopted from the iPhone. So on the iPhone that is paired to that Apple Watch, you can go to the main settings app and see the general date and time, and I would set up the automatic time, because it just makes sure that you have the correct date and time set all the time, and also gets adopted. As I said, it gets reflected on the watch as well. Obviously, you can also set it manually and change it to a different time zone if you prefer it that way, but as I said, I kind of like the automatic option. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and quick explanations like this, and I'm gonna see you in the next videos too, so thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.